Hello guys, welcome back to another session on Microsoft Power Platform. So as part of Microsoft Power Platform, we are learning Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. So we have already covered how to display a message in the message box and what are all the different types of icons available in message box icon. So information, question, warning, error, we have covered already in the previous session. Please go through the previous session and let me know if you face any issues while downloading the Microsoft Power Automate desktop app or while registering to the Microsoft desktop, or if you are facing any issues while executing the code, please drop me a message in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you with the required solution, or if required I'll upload one more video. I'll make another video on the same. Okay, so as part of our agenda, so we have uh, covered message box, and today we are going to learn more features or options available under message box comments. So let's see. So let me open this thing. So here I have provided message box title as title, and here I have provided the display message box as I am purpose, and here we can choose the information, something like that. And so now what we are doing, trying to do, we are trying to choose the question mark, sorry, OK and cancel button. So as of now we have only deal with OK button. Now we are going to deal with OK and cancel, and here we will choose something question, and here I'll type some question. Question, what I'll type over here, let's say, let's suppose if you want to continue further, so you can say, do you want to continue? So if do you want to continue? So if you want to continue, you are going to press OK, or if you are going to press cancel. So let me save. Let me try to run this flow. So now it will display a question mark. That is, do you want to continue? You can click on OK, or you can just click on cancel as well. Okay. So what is the default button over here? So by default, it is showing as OK button as default button. So let me run this task and show it to you again. So the the cursor is pointing to OK by default. You can see it is highlighting OK button only. Let's suppose if you want to highlight cancel button, yes, you can highlight. So let's see how to highlight the second button as well. So here you can see the default button is first button. Let's choose a second button as a default button for this case, and let me click on save, and let me try this task. So now the cancel button will be highlighted. If you click on enter, it will automatically cancel. You no need to choose the button options also. So that is how what we can do. We can choose default button, either the first button or second button. Let's on third button. Let's suppose if you have three different options like yes, no, cancel. There you can choose the first or second or third button. So let me try to provide. I will change the question here. Do you want to like download download bank statement? Let's suppose if you want to download the bank statement, that is a question actually. So in that question, what you can do, you can choose either yes or no, or you can also select yes or no, cancel as well. So you can choose the default button. So let's say, let me select the first button. By default, the first button is only the default button, or if you want to change it to third button, yes, you can change it to third button. And let me click on save. Now the message box is going to display, do you want to download the bank statement? There you can choose the corresponding options, either yes or no, or cancel. Even we can read the user input. Let's suppose if you select no, then you can read the no button option output as well. So let's see. So here, whatever the option you are going to choose, that response is going to store in button press. So variable produced is button pressed. So this is the text of button pressed. That means whatever the button you have pressed, that response is going to store in button press. So let's use another message box to display the button press option. And here I will type title as result. So I have already covered this concept in Microsoft Visual Basic for application, that is Excel macro. Here just we are drag and dropping the pre-built functionality, but there I have implemented our own custom code to generate a message box as well as finding the response as well. I will share the link in the description. Please go through the Microsoft Visual Basic for application code as well. So if you are trying to learn Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, uh, if you learn Excel macros, that is really helpful. Why? Because both are from Microsoft product. You can learn tool as well as programming knowledge as well. So okay, so let me display the results. So if you want to insert that variable produced by the message box, that is press button, you can just click on this one, and here you can choose the press button and click on select. Okay, so it will automatically um, insert the press research box over here. So let me click on save, and now what I will do, so each and every command it will automatically generate a output results in the form of variable. It can be anything like text, number, date, time, boolean, float. Based on the data it is going to generate a output data type. So in the variable session we are going to cover all the data types variables, you don't need to worry. Now what we are trying to do, we are trying to ask the end user, do you want to continue the bank statement or not. So we are, and parallelly we are going to read his answer, whether he pressed yes, no or cancel. Let's see. So let me try to run the code. We can also see the results. So here, do you want to download the bank statement? Let's say no. Here you can see the result as no. So based on the results, you can navigate to different. Let's suppose if you want to download the bank statement, what you can do, you are trying to download the bank statement. You navigate to the download statement flow, or else if you press no, you are going to navigate to home page, or if you press cancel you can continue the further steps. So that is how we can read the results of the message box as well. So let me try to run this task once again, and this time I will choose as. So you can see the result as a result. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the message box functionality in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop. And please try uh, other options like abort, retry and ignore and retry cancel. So almost similar. You can also read the output and you can just try to print the message box. If you face any issues or errors or queries while running the bot, please try to message in the message box, sorry, in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you, and if required, I'll make another video to cover all these topics once again. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a series of videos on Microsoft Power Automate. Thank you. Thanks for your time.